In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up a sleep timer on your YouTube music. So I talked about this when I was talking about the VLC app. So it's simple and easy. So the sleep timer, you just open any song you are trying to listen here, and then you set the sleep timer. So sleep timer is going to automatically turn the music off after that period of time. So let's say you feel you are going to sleep earlier, so you don't want the music to be playing while you are asleep. So you just set up a timer. When the timer is due, the music turns off, something like that. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or when the song ends, you just turn off the music. So let's say I feel I'm going to sleep within 15 minutes. Yeah, so I tap on that and my music here is going to play for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes is due, it's going to turn off. So that's it on how you turn on sleep timer on YouTube music. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on YouTube music. You can check them out on my channel. That's it once again. Peace.